Okay? Palagi. Number 1. Okay, jump. Forward stance. Forward stance. Mahaba. Forward stance, tsaka yung walking stance nyo, pareho lang. Kailangan, forward stance mas mahaba. Okay? Kaya minsan tawag nila dyan, longest stance. Kasi mahaba. Kung nag-perform ng forward stance, kaya, red belt, blue belt. From here. Okay? Ganyan, dapat. Okay, matatag. And pa. Ito, black. Okay? Mahaba pa rin. Kasi, yung boy, ang pangit tingnan, nakaganon, parang may inihipit. Ha? May inipit pa tayo? Wala naman, hindi